Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CANF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green and this orange annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. And the big dynamic here, and this will mean a little bit more those of you that watched the videos from Friday, but talked about and put in this trend line here. And you can see they started off relatively rough, kind of down here, showed some life, broke that trend line. After the trend line, back tested it, and then from there just ripped to new highs. So I mean, a great real life example here of a trend line breakout. So some really good stuff here for those people that are either learning about charts or just care about charts. Because this is some no textbook stuff here. This is real life stuff that occurred. And if you don't believe that I had the orange line there, I'm not offended at all. I realize I could be a total stranger to you. All you got to do is go back in the video archives and watch the video from the November 29th, and you'll see all that. But with all that being said, do a little house cleaning here. Those lines have served their purpose, and want to use this level here for one of the newest areas of support. And that area is right up here at $4, to which I would call the ideal level. And if say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above the $4 mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below that area, that doesn't imply the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above 4, that would be a huge sign of power. Taking a step back, looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above $4 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are at, nothing fancy here, all about that 465 mark, which is essentially where the price got rejected a couple of times today. So keep an eye on 465. All in all, though, great breakout today, great movement from there. The week is young, still 4 days left, so let's see if the price can continue to get more continuation. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.